Good morning. Myself, Ravjot Singh,
And I, Kiranjot Singh.
are going to display our idea of sustained ride, which contains two parts: magnet suspension and eco-adaptive road paint. These ideas provide sustainability and safety and are the future of the road safety system.
Magnet suspension is an innovative hybrid vehicle suspension that uses same pole magnetic repulsion alongside traditional coil springs to improve comfortable ride and durability. In this system, magnets repel each other to absorb minor shocks and vibrations, and the larger suspension handles major load and shocks. This combination delivers a smoother, quieter, and longer lasting suspension as compared to standard designs. The magnet suspension allows adjustable stiffness using electromagnets and required minimal maintenance due to frictionless nature. Through challenges like limited magnetic force, non-linear behavior, and cost excess, they can be solved through hybrid design, electronic control, and improved material. As you can see, I have made a prototype of this magnet. We have used two magnets facing each other as like magnets, and as you can see, when I create a shock or vibration, it's absorbs it.
Now, imagine if you were riding in a rural area and the lane ahead you disappears. To solve this problem, we have come up with the idea of eco-adaptive road paint. The problem it solves are invisible lanes, polluted air, urban heat, and high maintenance of the normal paint as it disappears after 12 to 18 months. It solves the problem by glowing at night with the help of phosphorescence and cleaning the air with titanium dioxide, regulating the temperature with chlorella, and producing electricity with the help of piezoelectric microcrystals. These components are held up by one liquid, which is biosilicate polymer emulsion, which acts like a paint. As this paint is very dense, we are using metal channels which we will plant in the road, which will act as a conductor to the electricity produced by the piezoelectric plates and hold the paint. The electricity produced by the piezoelectric plates can be utilized as we can plant charging station for the EV vehicles every 10 km, which will charge the EV vehicles and make them very affordable.
This is our vision, where technology runs from rural area to village, serving people as well as our nation. Thank you.